Man murdered landlady because she asked him to move out. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A murderer has been convicted and jailed for 18 years for killing his landlady. mu3d, age 57, stabbed 52-year-old care worker Pinani Kiba, known as Penny, 12 times at her home in Sutton, South London on the 27th of May last year. He had been a lodger in her home and launched his senseless attack after being told to move out. Saudi denied the murder but was nevertheless found guilty by a jury at the Kingston Crown Court on Thursday. The 57-year-old had been living at the individual's home for a short period prior to the incident. Neighbors became suspicious after hearing strange noises coming from the home on Park Road and summoned the police around 9:55 p.m. Officers found the female seriously injured inside the house and desperately provided first aid until paramedics arrived on the scene. But despite their best efforts, she succumbed to her injuries at the scene at around 10:34 p.m. The neighbor called the police, meanwhile kept Saudi in his sight and directed the police to him when they arrived at the location. Detective Sergeant Mark God, who led the investigation into the incident, said that the neighbor's actions were crucial in enabling a swift arrest. Saudi, of no fixed address, denied the crime, however was still convicted of murder and was jailed for life with a minimum term of 18 years behind bars. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.